Hello everyone, my name is Jugan Sharma, and in the last part of the video, we clearly understood what are AI agents and how n8n help us to build them visually. So now in this part of video, we are going to build a real-time AI agent from scratch. So no theory, only practical. By the end of this video, you will not only understood what are AI agents, but you will also like generate an automatically LinkedIn post generator using the AI, and also AI will like send direct emails after posting that particular post. So let's go automation. So let's have a quick recap, guys. In AI agent is not just tools like ChatGPT. It can think, it can take actions accordingly. And in the last video, we also learned about what is n8n and what are AI agents. So an AI agent is something that will connect some specific node and will take actions accordingly. And in the n8n, we can create multiple type of nodes like Microsoft Outlook, Excel, or and LinkedIn also. So we have multiple nodes option, and we will use them as per the requirement. In this part of the video, we will be making an automatically LinkedIn post generator, auto LinkedIn post generator. So what it will do, it will it will start on some specific schedule trigger. You can give it some schedule trigger like on Monday at 8 a.m. Then it will give the like we have already set the prompt for that particular AI agent. So it will generate the content, it will choose the picture, it will send the picture link to the HTTP request node. After that, HTTP request node will pull the picture from the internet wherever it is stored, and it will forward the content as well as the picture to the LinkedIn node. After that, LinkedIn node will post that particular content and that particular picture on LinkedIn. After posting on the LinkedIn, it will send an auto email to the client. So that's all about that particular AI agent, which we will be building today. Right, guys. So let's go straight forward to the n8n. I will simply search n8n. But yeah, it has opened the local n8n workflow. You can see it as a local host. So it is because I am running the n8n also locally in my PC. And in the next part of the this playlist or this series, I will also teach you how can you deploy your AI agents locally as well, and that will be like properly cost efficient because you don't have to take the subscription of the n8n cloud for that. So I will teach you on that next part of the video, but in this part, so let's go straight forward to the n8n. Okay, I have searched on the Google n8n. I have simply clicked on the first website, that is, and then this particular page will be we will be landing on. Okay, so without wasting some time, like I will just, yeah, so it has opened the registration page for me. Just I'll type my name and then email. Okay, Okay, so yeah, so we can see there as a it is giving me the messages. Hi there, you can so we are into this. You have to simply give the answers of these questions which it has been asking to you, and then you can give the name. So we will skip this. So this will give us the introduction page here, but we don't need this. So yeah, so your workspace is now online. We are getting this message. Yeah, so recording is on. So yeah, so let's start from the scratch. Okay, so we have landed here. Now, as I told you in the earlier part of this video, so we will start from the trigger. So let's type here as a trigger. But for here, we will use the schedule trigger. Schedule trigger is also available. Yeah. So now you can see here the multiple options. Like you can run the trigger as second wise, minute wise, hour wise, day wise, week wise. So we will simply run it on the days. Now how much days should be between one post? So let's define it as a two, and the trigger should be like generally we are taking it as a 8 a.m. because 8 a.m. Is a standard time when professionals generally open the LinkedIn. So I think for the reach and all this, 8 a.m. will be fine, and the minute will be zero. Okay, we will just simply execute step like okay. Now let's cut this. So this is our schedule node. Now we will attach an AI node. So node is there. Now there are two options: connected chat trigger node or defined below. So a connected chat trigger node means the we will be getting the input from the last node. But in this video, we will only define the prompt in that particular AI agent only. So we will use the define below option. Now, what is the prompt? So prompt, you have to generally give the prompt like uh, uh, act as a company or something and do the post on this topic. So let me give you the like my prompt which I am using in this. So this is the prompt. Let's paste it on the notepad. So this is the prompt which I am using. Like act as a LinkedIn strategist for XYZ company. So a company specializing in industrial automation and this. I have given it as a topic. Okay. So because I am doing the LinkedIn post for the company page, and you can also do it for the personal page also, like for from the personal account. So that is completely same. There is no difference. Just I will give the simply like the post title. So like the post format, it will start from the headline and then body, and then body will contain like it can contain any of the topic which is here, and then the like a call to action. Call to action means you have like when you read LinkedIn post, so in the end of that particular post, you see the phrases like, "Are you going to do this?" or "Are you ready?" or what are your challenges in this, something like. So this is generally to engage the customers in those posts, or to engage the viewers in those posts, like they can comment or something. And then hashtags, because hashtags are clearly like they are important. And then we are giving the pictures link. So why are we giving the pictures link? So we are generally giving the picture link to the AI agent so that AI agent will pick any of the picture, and where we are like defining the format. So here is the format we are defining. We are asking to AI to return the post only in this format: title, body, CTA, hashtag, sorry, CTA, hashtag, and image URL. And this is because if the so if a post will be like in some specific format only, that will be good for the reach and all this. So let's copy this and I'll paste it here. Like for the if you want similar prompt, so you can find it in the comment section, or I will attach the link in the description also. You can read it from there or take in for your AI agent. Okay. And after that, I have used the prompt. Okay. Now, because I have give it as a return body, but here I will also be using, like for return body, I will also be using an output parser. So what is an output parser? But before output parser, yeah. So chat model also I need to give it. So I will be using Gemini. Okay. Now you will for the Gemini, for using Gemini you have to like use it as a you have to create new credential. So I will simply click on the creating new credential. Now what is the API key? So let's, because Google is uh, the parent company of the Gemini. So Google AI Studio, you will simply go to Google AI Studio, and there you will get the API for the AI or like Gemini. So that API you will be using for the for using Gemini. So what is n8n is doing here? n8n is just giving the prompt to the Gemini and then taking the output from that. So we will create a new API key. We will name it as a LinkedIn. We will grow with Yogendra. We will select it and we will create a new key. So my keys has been created. So you can see as January 26th. I will simply copy API key. I will like, yeah. So I will click on the create new credential. I will paste API key here. You can also see this. Okay, and this is the host. So there that you don't need to touch it. You will just click on save, and it I'm getting the message here that connected tested successfully. If you are also getting this particular message, that means your Gemini Studio has been connected successfully with the n8n. So let's cut it now here, and you can see here that my credential has come here. Now I don't need to touch anything else in this particular node. So I will just so you can see here that it is beautifully connected with the AI agent. Now I also told you that I will be using the output parser, because output parser will ensure that whenever you are getting the content from the AI agent, so that particular content is coming only in some specific format. And otherwise, if that particular format will not come, it will give like an error that the format is not perfect. So when you will run the AI agent continuously, then multiple times you can like error that this is in not format. So we will be handling out that particular thing also. So now we will be using we type output parser. Okay, so I'm not getting here. Okay, yeah. So I have to enable this, and automatically there is a output parser option. I will be using structured output parser. Now, what is the structure of that of my particular post? So I will be going here in the output parser. Like I only as I also showed you in the prompt that I want the post in only this format. So I want title, body, CTA, hashtag, and image URL only. So this is the only thing which I will be getting. So here our AI agent node is complete. Now we will be using another node for fetching pictures, because from like you can see here in the output parser, we are getting image URL, not image. But LinkedIn node will require the image, not image URL. So for that particular thing, I will be using this node. This is the HTTP request node. So let's go to the n8n, and we will type here the HTTP request node. We will just get it simply, and yeah. So here you have to like tell to the node that where is the URL that particular picture. Now, so I will simply like, so what I will do, I will simply take JSON. Like I can also execute previous node for that. So once I will get the output from the previous nodes, so after that I will show you how you can fetch the URL from that. So yeah, so this is the image URL you can see, and this is in the a output. So what I will be using JSON, then output, and then image URL. Yeah, so this is, but it will not be fixed. It will be like a expression type. So you have to click on the expression. Yeah, and now you can simply see that in the result, I'm getting the link here. So it will simply fetch the image from that particular link. So yeah, and we are expecting the response from this. So we will be using the response here. And what will be the response format? So it will fetch the file. So we are giving the response format as the file. So that's it. Now let's save it. Yeah, so workflow changes have been saved. Now it is giving me the error that invalid URL. Yeah, so the error is from the like it is from the last time we ran it here. Now let's create the LinkedIn node here. So I will click on the simply LinkedIn, and here you can see as a create a post. So I will be using this like node here for generating the LinkedIn post. So let's generate. Yeah, so let's create next node, that is the LinkedIn node. So I will simply click on the LinkedIn. Now only option here is like create a post. So yeah, let's type again LinkedIn and then create a post. Now here I need to create the credential. There is two options like standard, recommended, and the community management. So I will click on the standard, and I will simply click on connect my account. And now after that it will simply connect with, like it will open the page to login, and let's log. Yeah, so options are here. I will simply use my account here. So what I am doing here is I am connecting with my personal account here. But if you are connecting with the like company page or something, so you can also use the community management. So that also I will teach you in next video if you will ask for this. So you can ask it in the comment section that if you want the video for the community management also. Now it is connected. I will simply post. I will simply create as a person, and so what will be the text? So text I am getting from the last or like last node. So I will simply write this as a JSON output title, because title I am also getting from the JSON. Next, next is body and image URL and CTA. So now image URL I'm not getting. Getting I'm not getting image URL here. I'm just getting CTA and hashtag. Okay, and I will save it. Now this is what we are getting from the output body. Are also going to post with a picture with this, because without picture the post will not be engaging and will not attract much customers or much viewers here. So in the media category, I will select the image and so what is input binary field? That is data. You don't need to touch it here. And then I will click on the save. So that's it, guys. Now we are connected till LinkedIn node. Now after that, only we need to add this email. So I have added this email. So what I am doing here, that I have simply like Microsoft. For this you need to edit the Microsoft credential. So you can click here. For me, the Microsoft credential are connected here already. So to to get this access token URL, client ID and client secret, you need to go to your Microsoft Outlook account admin panel, and that is also you will be getting. So after that, you will simply like it will simply send a message also. So if you also want, I can also show you after running this. So that's it for guys. So in the next part of the video, I will also teach you like how you can run it locally. Like I am running it locally on my PC. You can also run it on your local PC. You don't need, because the n8n cloud access you will also only be getting for the 14 days or something, 15 days something. But running locally can, like, you can save a lot more cost here. So that's it for today. In the next part of the series, I will also be teaching you the advanced AI agents. So that is more important because let me show you an AI agent like this. Okay. So for example, this is an AI agent which I will teach you in the next part of the video. In the current AI agent part video, I taught you about like posting automatically on the LinkedIn. But as you already know that AI content is not monitor it until it posts. It will post and then will send you the email. But in the next part of the series, I will teach you the AI agent which will be requiring the admin approval also before taking an action. So that will be lot more better because it will correct and it will align your AI agent as per your objectives. So that's it for today. Thank you.